Stress. It's one of the major challenges we all face in today's world. From never-ending to-do lists to constant digital noise, the pressures of modern life feel overwhelming. But what if you could escape all that, even if just for a few minutes a day, and return feeling refreshed, clear-headed, and at peace? With the Zygon Stress Zapper, you can. Over the last 40 years, I've been exploring how to harness the power of the mind to relieve stress, quiet the noise, and restore a sense of calm. The Stress Zapper is designed to do exactly that, using advanced mind technology that brings you to a deeply relaxed state, as if you stepped away from the chaos of life for a while. So, what's really causing all this stress in our life? Our bodies are wired to handle occasional bursts of stress, those flight or fight moments. But in today's world, stress has become constant, hitting us from every direction. Work, relationships, finances, even the endless stream of information that we're bombarded with constantly. Over time, this constant tension builds up, leaving us feeling drained, anxious, and overwhelmed. And that's where the Stress Zapper comes in. It works by using sound technology to guide your brain into a synchronized alpha-theta brainwave pattern, which is an ultra-relaxed state of mind, where the stress response slows down and your body can finally start to heal and recharge. It's kind of like hitting the pause button on the stresses of modern life and allowing yourself to reset. Here's the basic science behind it. There are 4 primary brainwave patterns, and theta is the one most associated with deep relaxation and healing. When you enter this state, your body's stress hormones decrease and your mind becomes clear, calm, and centered. Think of it as a mini vacation for your mind. When you're in this state, all the worries, deadlines, and pressures that build up in your day-to-day life, well, they just seem to fade away. You come out of it with a clearer head, a calmer attitude, and a sense of well-being, almost like you've recharged your mental batteries. By listening to the Stress Zapper tracks regularly, just a few times a week, you can break the cycle of stress and avoid that burnout that so many of us feel. You'll be able to respond to life's challenges with a greater sense of balance and perspective, rather than feeling overwhelmed by them. We offer a variety of soundtracks designed to fit into your schedule, whether you've got 10 minutes for a quick reset or 30 minutes for a deeper relaxation session. And if you love the results, you can explore even more programs on the main Zygon Empowerment app, such as our Ultra Meditation or Deep Sleep Inducer series, designed to bring balance and peace into your life. So if you're ready to escape the stresses of modern life and experience true calm, start using your Stress Zapper today. And when you're ready to go even deeper, download the Zygon Empowerment app, where you're going to find more tools in empowerment coaching to help you live a successful and stress-free life.